Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We are so back with another live stream. My internet is fucked up. I don't know what happened. I was just dropping frames, but sorry for the delay. I I'm just playing this really nice dubstep for you guys because I felt bad, and this is the way of me just apologizing. Sorry. But yeah, hello, Mr. The Transistor Soinok Hacker. How's everything, guys? I just wholeheartedly hope that you'll accept my apology. But I don't know what's going on with my internet. Tomorrow I'll check that. But today just like using my mobile thing, the live stream. I hope I won't rack up the bills, but whatever. So let me play the usual live stream songs. I waited decades. Okay, that's cool. Thanks, man. Thanks for being the being a regular watcher of my live streams. I really appreciate that. All right, breakcore mix. So let me give you some context, right? So what are we doing here? I actually hit the song. Wait. All right, this is better. There's a nice cover art on the playlist as well, so it must be nice. Okay, guys, I don't know if you followed me on my blog, but I went to a music thing, right? I'm gonna send a link to chat. So this is the event that I went to like last week, and there I was inspired to build some music stuff with Rust and Ratatouille and like embedded stuff. So there we did stuff like this. This is just a rat, you know. Actually, does it say its name? Yeah, it's on the bottom. There you go. You see it? Squeaking rat, right? So I just want to like do stuff like this. So we just gonna start out with that project. Also, maybe tomorrow or later, I will be building this. This is a guitar pedal. I don't know how it will sound. I have the parts like electronics and everything. I'll just like have a nice building live stream tomorrow or maybe later. I don't know. But yeah, just see the blog post if you're curious about what happened to me. But the idea is now I need to do something, you know. I need to do something, not just do something, but like do something to present, because I'm gonna give a talk in a couple of months. So I actually need to do it, you know. I cannot like chicken out or like quit. I just had to do it at this point. So we're gonna take a look at some projects today, and yeah, we're just gonna like have a look. I guess that's the point. And today that's the starting point. Since I put like day 1 in the title, I'm gonna just continue with like day 2, day 3, but maybe I should do like episodes, because I'm not sure if I'm gonna live stream every day. But you get it, like that's the point. I don't know, what do you think? Do you prefer like day 1, day 2, or episode 1, episode 2 and stuff like that, or maybe just like numbering the stuff? But either way, I'm gonna like do it like a series, because I want to like focus on this. I don't want to do anything else. Didn't you give a talk in Istanbul like a couple of Fridays ago? If so, is there a video? Yeah, there's a video. It's been released today actually, but it's in Turkish. I don't know if you understand Turkish. I don't know if you're Turkish. Either way, if you wanna just take a look and hear me speak Turkish, I'm gonna send a link. But Yeah, wait a second. There you go. This is like a fan service to my Turkish fans. And a number video is good because you can keep up with the playlist, by the way. Yeah, maybe I should go with the numbers. But like either way, if I don't like use the day prefix, it's gonna be numbers. Okay, I'm just gonna like do it like day 1, day 2, day 3, and then maybe I can switch to just episodes later. I don't know. We'll decide while we're doing it. So yeah, so I want to take a look at, first of all, we already seen this, and I kind of watched the whole thing, but I just want to take a look at this project first of all, because this is my starting point. This is where I told myself that, well, doing this is actually possible. So I wanna wait. Am I still live? Yeah. Okay. So I wanna, like, you know, I've been wanting to build a music related project with Ratatouille for a long time, and then this project came out, and I was like, okay, maybe I should go ahead and do it because people are doing it. So this was the thing that really inspired me, and we watched the video already. I think it was like a couple of live streams ago. So let me show it to you again. So this is like a granular sampler. So this is, wait. Maybe I should play the other one.
Higher, then also the play direction.
So the thing, like, I'm gonna explain it in really simple words. You do something with this instrument, or like with this keyboard or whatever, and then it visualizes the output with it in a TUI, right? That's the gist of it, and then it generates some sounds, and you can just like configure it real time with the knobs and with the buttons, and you can save presets and stuff like that, right? So that was the project, and I was thinking today maybe I can just take a look at the code and see actually what they're doing and how they like wired up everything, you know? Because I've seen it, but I haven't checked anything in the code yet. There's a part list here somewhere. Yeah, it's a pretty good project. There's the bill of materials that I use for the MIDI control and the Raspberry Pi. So it runs with a Raspberry Pi, apparently. What is Teensy 4.0? What is this? What does it do? It's a development board. You just like, is this like a, yeah, microcontroller or something? Software, Arduino, Visual Micro, and there's no Rust on this, right? God damn it. Maybe there is. Wait, I'm just curious now. I'm a bit like going on a tangent here, but whatever. Hello Bartek. I'm just looking for some, like, I'm just researching some music projects related to Rust for my own project. Rust support for the Teen Z4. Okay, there's actually a, well, this is 3 months ago. Looks okay to me. Okay. I'm just gonna start it. Anyways, going back, we have this thing. I don't know what this this thing is. Is this like a analog multiplex? What the hell is that? Okay, I don't know why this is being used here, but whatever. I don't know what this is as well, like, but whatever. Switches, USB audio. Okay, let's just take a look at the code. I don't know if they're using the TNZ module that I just saw. Okay, MIDI control. Okay, MIDI control, that's the keyboard. Is this an Arduino thing? Test readme. Okay, this is bad. This is not Rust. I'm a bit like disappointed. What the hell is going on? They're just reading something and just sending it. Okay, that's all, I guess. What is plugin? Oh, we need to check out the core first. So this is the core logic of the grain sampling. Are you like 100% Rust oriented, or what other languages? Yeah, I'm 100% Rust oriented, if that's what you're asking. Okay, this is creating a sampler, some data, records it. Some functions here. This is the config. I'm curious about what record is doing actually. Instance record. Is it just setting some data in some vector or something? Grain data. That's a vector, right? Yeah. Some comments in the code would really help here, but I guess whatever. I actually want to run the tests on this. It's recording for 20 seconds. Or, yeah, okay, something happened. What is render doing? Get draw data. Not sure what I'm supposed to expect here. But okay, that's just the core, alright. So the plugin one, this is a bit more complex, I think. What is knee plug? These are the crates that I've never heard of before, so I'm pretty excited. Is this like a... Okay, maybe I should just check the GitHub repository. Rust VST3 and Clav plugin framework and plugins. Okay, everything's better when you do it yourself. Okay, this is... I think I know what this is. This is for just creating VSTs, so plugins for... Yeah. Small collection of plugins. The idea is to have a stateful yet simple plugin API that gets Get off as much unnecessary ceremony, wherever possible. That's a crazy project. I mean, it has like 2k stars. Plugins, let's see. Alright, crisp. Yeah, it has many features as well. So with this thing, you can create your own plugin, and then you can use it in your use it in your whatever software you're making music, or something like that, I guess. Gain. Let's check the gain plugin. I wonder how hard it is to code this. So impl plugin, I guess this is where the magic happens. Also this one too. So this is for some constant like data, such as plugin name, description, and so on. Okay. Okay, I think I have a general idea of how this works. Cool. And alright, so that's why we need cargo X task, because it's doing some plugin stuff, right? Yeah. We're just calling some function here that will do some plugin stuff for us, I guess. That's why we have that. Also, that's why we have the bundler toml, I'm guessing. Cool. Let's take a look here. Also, I'm curious if there's like a way to visualize these, like in a GUI or something, or maybe in a TUI. Probably not in a TUI, but it would be nice to visualize these plugins in a TUI somehow. Maybe there's a project for that. Cannot find the knee stuff in crates.io though. Knee plug. Maybe I should search for knee plug. No. There's also this library, but anyways, we'll get to that. What the hell did I do? Okay, I need to see the symbols, but it's not working. My Nelvim is just broken. My Nelvim is just... What the hell? Looks like good code. I don't know, I cannot read it right now. Let me take a look again. Editor. Okay, some more stuff happening here. This is so scary. Where is the Ratatouille stuff in this? VStack. Editor. Why the fuck there's a CSS file in here? Oh, maybe this is... Okay, maybe this is where it's being visualized somehow. How do I even run this? Wait, let me actually run it. You can just compile it, but how do I even run it? This is so scary. Why the fuck there's like a random ass CSS file in the editor? Okay, I just want to see the Ratatouille stuff now. Maybe it's in standalone. Yeah, okay, standalone. Let's see. UI. Now we're talking. The inform widget. So this is like the little granular sample stuff. Look, this is literally that, because there's this symbol O. If you remember from this video, It's like these O's are just like all the stuff that are being sampled, or like little samples. It just visualizes that. And okay, this is the widget. Cool. UI is just waveform widgets, a bunch of waveform widgets. State. Okay, this is the preset stuff. In main, we are simply creating a channel for, I guess this is for event handling. Okay, it's using Jack. I'm curious about this one as well. I know Jack, but I'm not sure how easy it is to use it in Rust. Rust bindings for Jack, a real-time sound server for audio and MIDI I/O. I probably need to set up Jack for my guitar on Linux, but I'm just lazy. We'll do that later. This looks like it is kind of maintained, but okay. Rust audio. Let me follow these guys. They have a bunch of nice crates though. I know Rodeo is a nice one. I used that for playback before. Thinking of learning about digital electronics. Found a free course from MIT. What do you mean digital electronics? Digital, is it like electronics, or like, is it digital electronics? This is like not in real life stuff. What is this? What is digital electronics and analog electronics? I'm confused now. Oh yeah, okay. So what you meant is more like circuit design or stuff like that, right? Or what is it? Gates, registers, latches, RAM. Oh, okay. Got it. That sounds fun. That sounds really fun. I'm also interested in that because, you know, I made this this circuit, right? But I don't know how it works. I cannot show you the parts where I soldered. Maybe I can show it to you. Look, like there's some stuff that I soldered and stuff, but like this is a kit, right? The fuck is this? It's a voltage controlled oscillator. So you just plug this in to some shit. I don't know. I don't have the shit yet. That's why I'm trying to learn about audio stuff and like synthesizers. But you plug this in and then you kind of like tweak these knobs and it makes some sound. And I bought this as a kit, and I wonder how it is like to actually design something like this one day, because I know electronics, I can solder, I know what parts are doing, I know transistors, resistors, whatever. I have a bunch of electronics, but you know, I never really just sat down and designed a circuit myself. So that's what I'm also like interested in, if it makes sense. I have card 2, it just exists. Yeah, it looks really nice. I mean, I would like to build something like this one day. That's why I'm kind of interested in all these music stuff as well. Also, I need to build this thing. It's a guitar pedal. It has a bunch of electronics in that. So yeah. My dad once bought me a shit ton of Arduino stuff. It's fun. I also have a bunch of Arduinos, but never motivated myself enough to go through it. I see. I guess you need to have like a project that you can work on and you can learn from, if it makes sense. Then it's easier and it's more fun. Otherwise, like learning just for learning is a bit boring for me. I need to have a purpose while I'm learning, you know? So, yeah. The only electronics I do salvage is salvage stuff from broken devices and never use them. Yeah. So this is the like the whole logic, I guess. It uses jack to connect to the system audio. What is this? Connect SH. This is for connecting to the MIDI, I think. And then it kind of visualizes things, but I wonder how it's actually reading stuff from the device. Maybe I can... What is this thing? Push keyboard enhancement flag. What the hell? This is the first time that I'm seeing this. From Crossterm as well. Push keyboard enhancement flags. A command that enables the keyboard protocol, which adds extra information to keyboard events and removes ambiguity. Fuck, I couldn't speak there. It should be paired with pop keyboard enhancement flags at the end of execution. Interesting. Keyboard protocol. We're back to reading stuff about terminals, guys. I just cannot stop. I probably have capacitors old enough to graduate middle school or so. Damn. Comprehensive keyboard handling in terminals. There are various problems with the current state of keyboard handling in terminals. They include no way to use modifiers other than Ctrl Alt. Okay. New keyboard protocol that is backward compatible but allows applications to opt in and support more advanced usages. Interesting. Let me actually give this a try. I'm curious now. Kitty. Press any keys. Okay. Can I make this thing bigger? So we're just experimenting with the Kitty keyboard protocol now. I really wonder what is really different here. Anyways, programs implementing this protocol. Damn, there are like a lot of stuff that implemented this. I really like this page. I didn't know about this until I saw the code, so that was useful. So I'm guessing this is like a new protocol that enables you to handle keys more efficiently or something like that. And this page describes how to implement it. It's really well written. Legacy functional keys. I really like the Kitty terminal, man. They're doing a lot of stuff for the terminals. Why not use Zen instead of Firefox? Looks a lot cleaner. What is Zen? Is it the Zen browser? Okay, they are doing that. Keyboard enhancement flags, disambiguate escape codes. Okay, that's interesting, but I need to see how this is reading events now. I'm curious about that process. I'm guessing it's just sending events, so we should look for the S clone sender. Send somewhere. Okay, this is for the preset stuff. It is the browser. Zen browser. What is that? I think I looked at it before, but like, what's the What's the catch? And what does it run? Like, is it like Chromium based or like servo based, or what is it? They forgot to pop the stuff here. I'm just gonna create a really quick PR here. Fix, disable the kitty keyboard protocol on exit. I realized this while reading the code. As stated in the docs, keyboard protocol should be disabled on exit. For properly restoring the terminal state. Okay. Submit. Oh, I probably need to import this, right? Or no? Yeah, I need to import it, otherwise it won't work. I didn't even run the code. Standalone. Maybe I can just build it to see if it builds or not. Alright. Force. Okay. A quick PR. I still don't see the part where it's reading stuff from the device. Register port. Maybe this is it. Input port. MIDI import. Yeah, this is where it's reading stuff. Okay. Okay, that was straightforward. It has some custom chars to do the visualizations, and that's all, I guess. Okay, that's it from this project. I think I got a pretty good idea of how it works and which libraries that it's using. Just to recap, it is using... Wait, what is RTSense standalone? Okay, just close these tabs. Standalone real-time sanitizer. A police car just driving by. I don't know what happened. That was not my... I hope that's not related to me. I'm just chilling. Okay. What is real-time sanitizer, bro? Real-time sanitizer. Interesting. And why are you using this? Non-blocking. Okay. That's interesting. Okay, yeah, I was just giving a little summary. So this is using, what was the name? Nich. This Nich project for creating plugins for, like, yeah, just VST plugins. And it is doing some sampling in the core, and then it uses Jack along with Ratatouille to visualize things like the output, or like playing the output or whatever, playback, I don't know. And then there's like a MIDI control thing which I didn't really understand. It is just like a MIDI controller. It's written in C++, like Arduino. So it's just like, I'm guessing this is like this is connected to Arduino, and then that's it. So that's the whole project. That's the whole project. Okay, moving on to other stuff. I remember I had some other like music related projects on my list that we can check out. So give me a second and let me find them. Okay, this is not the one that I want. Yeah, this one. Exactly, this is the one that I want to check out now. So, I don't know what this rsynth thing is, but it's probably, yeah, it's archived, so just never mind. The one of the like really interesting things is this project. It's fucking crazy. Look at this. A modular soft synth, a modular synthesizer written in Rust, and it's been, oh my god, you can actually use it. File. So this is output. Modules. Let's add an oscillator. Oh my god, this is so crazy. What the hell? How did you even build this, man? Alright, so I'm gonna give this thing a bookmark. So output. I don't know how to use a synthesizer, first of all, but I'm guessing we need some signal. You guys hear this? Okay, something is happening. This is going in the wrong direction. What do you mean? Are you saying that I connected this thing to the wrong direction? Well, it's making a nice sound. I'm not complaining. Reverb. Okay, I'll try to do something with this. How do I disconnect? Okay, I disconnect like that. I don't know, I'm just gonna connect this to here and then to output. Music, guys. Okay, what else do we have? We have sample. We have noise. can just add noise to it. Holy shit. I'm not a DJ. This is like... This is far from just DJing, bro. What the fuck am I doing? I don't know what VCA is. What is VCA? Okay, it's just like a controlled something something. Thanks, bro. Holy shit, we are getting somewhere, guys. Do you hear the drums? Now all I gotta do is add another sound. I don't know how the hell I'm gonna do that though. What is ADSR? It's like the filter something something. Sequencer. Okay, now we're talking. Now we're talking. Okay, I'm just gonna like... Fuck, this is a mess. This is a mess. So I put like another... Actually, I might just put a noise on this. So noise. Holy shit, something's happening. I really like this project. I haven't even checked the code, but... What did I do? I broke it. I don't know where I'm supposed to connect these actually. Sorry for all the noise. Actually, I don't know which one is which. That's the problem. I'm just fucking freestyling. Anyways, that was interesting for sure. Let's take a look at the code. eGUI. Okay, this is eGUI. It runs natively or in the browser. All right, that's cool. It needs a Ratatouille version of it. Actually, maybe there is a Ratatouille synth or something. Synthesizer Ratatouille or something. Wait, what is this? Rustlang additive wavetable synthesizer. Holy shit. It actually exists. Okay, I'm gonna check this out. Holy fuck. That's cool. That's nice. What is this? Leo interpreter. The Leo programming language. Wait, programming language is using Ratatouille for what exactly? Maybe I was just... No, this is not really using Ratatouille. Anyways, let's take a look. Chord flow. Yeah, this is another project that I want to check out. Bytebeat RS. Yeah, maybe let's just take a look at this first. So CPAL is, what was CPAL? It's a audio library in Rust. E-frame. What is E-frame, dude? It's a eGUI related thing. Okay. eGUI get random. Hound. I don't think I've heard of this before. It's a WAV file encoding library. That's cool. Freeverb. Is this like a reverb thing? Probably. Freeverb algorithm. What is freeverb? Studio called the reverb source code in the public domain. Introduction. Hello. I'll try to keep this readme reasonably small. There are a few things in the world that I hate more than long readme files, except coding conventions, but more on that later. And then it's a long readme. God damn it. Why is the freeverb code now public domain? Simple. I only intended to create a freeverb to provide me and my friends with studio quality reverb for free. In any case, I make far money as a contract programmer. Okay. What a legend. What a fucking legend. Where's the code? Okay. Cool. I guess this is just the Rust implementation. Nice. Okay, what is this doing now? Let's take a look at the main. Audio engine. Synth. I really enjoyed no documentation. It looks super fucking scary, like what the hell? Shared synth module. What is that? I just don't want to compile this actually. Stop. Is this like a huge file containing all the synths? No, it's actually, each one is here. Okay, oscillator, let's take a look at this one. Bunch of mathematical stuff. Is this using any trait to implement these? Yeah, okay, synth module. What is this? It's a custom trait, right? Okay, it's just using this trait to implement those synths. And in the UI, it's just doing the magic stuff like connecting them and tweaking the settings and so on. So okay, but where's the UI for the synths individually? Okay, it's in here, so in the UI function. Got it. Interesting design. It's very straightforward actually. Some of the parts is they are really scary though, like these stuff, especially this one. Synth module workspace, arc RV log, synth module workspace implementation, EGUI ID. Okay, it's actually not that bad. But okay. This is a crazy project. But it's GUI, so let's take a look at the TWI one now. Rust TWI additive wavetable synthesizer. Let's take a look at this one. Yes, I want to exit Kitty. It's crazy how many music related projects out there. There's even one with Ratatouille, like it uses Ratatouille. I don't know what wavetable synthesizer is. Wavetable synthesis. Wavetable synthesis is a sound synthesis technique used to create quasi-periodic waveforms often used in the production of musical tones or notes. Okay. I guess, yeah. Looks cool, I guess. What can I say? Alright, cargo tomo. Not much in here. Controls press chart that braces to make component focus on active, HL. Additive, wavetable, rounds on terminal, load and play MIDI files, read and play raw MIDI in. Wait, read and play raw MIDI in? Wait, can I just use my MIDI keyboard? Fancy movie item. Yeah. Exactly, some Matrix shit. Automatization? Fuck. What does that mean? Currently unavailable from UI, only API. Synthesizer output effect. Real-time parameter change with keyboard. Low frequency oscillators, built-in effects, amplifier, chorus, compressor, delay, filters. Damn. Requirements table Rust C OS that CPAL supports. Do I need to install anything for CPAL? I don't think so. But anyways, let's take a look at the core now. Midley. I'm guessing this is like a MIDI thing. Fast MIDI decoder encoder. I'm gonna give this a star. Not sure if it can actually stream MIDI things. MIDI events. Okay, it can actually stream like live events. That's crazy, but fine, okay. Lib, error, utils, skip the utils for now. It looks like a crazy project as well. It's so many stuff in here. Filters, okay. Core LFO. Wave shape. Oscillator. Synthesizer. Callbacks. I'm curious about this MIDI thing. So playback, is it using MIDI event receiver? Okay, that's promising. Maybe I can just connect my MIDI keyboard. I don't know. You can try. Give me a second. I realized my camera is lagging, so I'm gonna fix that. Also, I need to check if I still have internet. Looks like I do, so that's cool. Some mathematical stuff happening in here. Okay, let's check out the UI. Detached stream. Main loop. Okay, thread sleep. This is the main TUI loop. Context terminal. Right. Interesting. So config context. Build MIDI input. This is using the components template, I think. Okay, I think I get an idea. Let's just run it. Okay, something happened. Error, backend specific error has occurred. Also function something failed with invalid argument. Damn. I'm just gonna report it. I wish I was able to run this. I was very curious how it looks like. Hello, I'm getting this error at startup. Any idea? Any idea how to fix it? Okay, just create it. I should probably search for it first. Alright, it seems like a common problem. Somebody just dropped a Google Drive link for also file or something. That's crazy. Damn, Linux audio is difficult, man. God damn it. I have to check this thing later. This is so annoying. But we should definitely add this to Awesome Ratatouille repo. I'm gonna actually do it now. Ratatouille awesome. Check out the main. Actually, remote pull fork main. OOOSCRS. Music and media. Okay, we should probably order them. So I'm gonna use OpenAI real quick to do that. Order the entries. Add OOSCRS. No numbering. Okay, just copy that. Damn, I need to change these. I don't know why my formatter is not doing that for me. Okay, there you go. Order the music and media section. Create a PR. I'm gonna start this and watch the activity. The CLI tool for remote hosts would be great. Choosing hosts from the list, able to search, get into those hosts, be able to execute commands, signals like Ansible by terminal version. 100% exists, but within Ratatouille this would be user friendly. What do you mean by remote hosts? Do you mean like SSH stuff? Like, there's one project which might be what you're looking for. This is like a SSH launcher. I don't know if this is, I don't know if what you're saying is close to this, but yeah, it's like this basically. Like you select from your SSH like hosts. But yeah, bro, just build it. Come on. Just squash and merge. I'm taking risks here. Okay. This is a really nice project. I really like this one. Bytebeat written in Rust. What is Bytebeat? Okay, I will wipe code it, bro. No. No, please don't. Bytebeat composer. God damn it. What the hell is going on here? Oh noes. Guys, we are cooking. Hell yeah, techno. This is my shit, man. Are you dreaming to be a DJ? I see it in your eyes. No, I'm just playing around with this. I don't know. It seems very fun. Anyways, this is Bytebeat, I guess. God damn. Hello. There he is, huh? Cool dubstep song. No way. Oh, there's a random function too. Damn. Hell yeah. And all it takes is just this function, guys. And then you have dubstep. Holy shit. How did you even come up with this? I just press random numbers and shit happens. Crazy. What the hell? Hardcore. Let's see what do we have here. Okay, techno. Anyways, I think we have a pretty good understanding of what a byte beat is. So, byte beat machine. So this byte beat RS thing is, yeah, this is a Ratatouille. Oh, this is from Chaos Print. Okay, I know him. I'm not sure if he's building anything related to audio these days. Knee plug, yeah, I know that one now. C-Paul. Let's run it. Is this using C-Paul? Yes. C-Paul jack. I don't know if I have the setup for it. Let's see. Audio thread. Where do you actually calculate these samples? Tokenize. Okay, this is the parser. Okay, it's evaluating the thing. Okay, let's just run it. Let's just run it. Bytebeat code. Okay, I'm gonna use the code that I pasted to chat. Okay, some shit is going on. Underrun occurred. Maybe I should keep it simpler. Just T. Just T. Okay, that was interesting. You probably didn't hear it because it's not coming from my headphones. It's coming from the laptop speakers. I don't know why. I need to change the device, I guess. Pipe wire. Okay, now we're talking. Now, I can do something like this. Shift. Oh, it's actually not bad. I couldn't get the techno stuff to work, but it's probably fine. Let's try to play this one. Damn. I'm curious about the hardcore one now. Oh, this. Okay, I tried it already. It's panicking sometimes. There's some random logs on the UI for some reason, but is there any like key bindings? Is it using any cross-term events? I don't think so. It actually does, but it just checks the escape key. Okay, that's still really cool project. I'm gonna give it a star. Watch the releases, and also gonna add this to the list of toys. Bytebeat RS. A toy for Bytebeat. What is this called? Bytebeat music, or it's just called Bytebeat. Glitch music heaven. Okay, I'm just gonna add that. Bytebeat RS. Actually, maybe there are even more projects on Crates.io. Bytebeat. This is the Rust library. Okay. Just squash and merge. Okay. The last thing that I want to check today is this project, Chord Flow. It's a GUI desktop app, a TUI tool designed to help guitarists, musicians practice improvisation and master the guitar neck by providing a dynamic chord progressions with a built-in metronome. Metronome with custom sounds, random chord generation, visual progress bar, real-time chord display, customizability, TUI demo. Okay. There's a Deoxys GUI. It's not been updated though. Is this guy doing music stuff? I'm curious now. I'm just gonna stalk him real quick. Seems kinda active. That's cool. It's using Rodeo. Fluid light. What is that? Fluid light. Fluid synth. Okay, what is fluid synth? Free and open source software synthesizers which converts MIDI note data into audio signal. Okay, that's cool. Let me just clone it. Music theory. I think I can learn music theory from just reading this code. It must be easier than just playing the keys, you know. I can actually read this like later to learn music theory, but okay. Shared, what is this? I need to build and play around with this. Hey man, I love the work you do and miss your dot files. They helped me a lot structure my project. I wonder why they are gone. I'm not sure what you're talking about. They're not really done. They're not gone, they're just here. So do you often share mice related? What is that? Mate, I read your blog post. You had a good time in Berlin. Nice pics and bits. Also didn't know you were a Behemoth fan. Yeah. Good thing that you caught that. Yeah, it was nice. It was really inspiring. So that's why I'm here trying to learn more about music stuff now. And also tweez and also Rust and stuff like that. Link change, I referenced your work but my link died. No worries, man. I need to try this out. It's hard to figure out from the code. Maybe I can just run the TUI, you know? Just let's run the TUI. And for the mice related work, what is mice? I only do mouse related work or rats. I don't know what you mean. Um, AI detects your mood, makes byte sound, opens your computer, plays with a volume 100 vibes. Wow, that's a fucking brilliant idea, actually. Damn. This is like a mood booster type of project. Okay, I built it. It's actually running now. Can I change the device? No, I cannot change the device. It's just running on my laptop speakers. Okay, that's a bit bad. You can like increase the BPM. Playback. Random chords. Let's do random chords. Okay, now it's actually running. Sorry if I missed again. Maybe I should go. No, man. Where are you going? Come here. Maluka, come here. What? I'm just not very sure about the like what you mean by the related work. If you can just give me more details about what you're asking, that would be helpful. Okay, this is a nice project too. I need to properly give it a try with my guitar and stuff. I need to set up the jack audio server for that. But yeah, I'm wondering if we added this to the awesome list already. Let's see. Chord flow? No, it's not in here. Okay, let's add it then. Chord flow. A tool for practicing improvisation and mastering the guitar neck. Okay, that should be enough. Wait, what did it? Okay. I cannot approve my own PR, so okay. All right. I think I'm done for today, everybody. It was such a packed stream. It was just full of new things for me. I have definitely learned some new stuff, like the what was it? Byte. What was it? I already forgot. God damn it. Byte beat. Yeah, that was fun. And yeah, we did some little contributions to some stuff That's also a good thing always, you know. So yeah, I'll try to stream more regularly. I need to fix my internet. And to figure out what's wrong with my internet. So yeah, I checked again. I've totally been confused by two legends thinking they were only one guy. Sorry for the fuzz. No worries. Seeing you practice though. Yeah. Thanks for tuning in. And yeah, I usually announce these streams on Discord. So if you are using Discord, just join here from this link. We don't have the moderators, I think, so I'm just doing their duty, but whatever. Join already, that's awesome. So yeah, I'm also sharing my music and other stuff that I'm doing there. Like the video, subscribe, hit the bell, whatever. So yeah, guys, that's all. I'm just gonna head out and chill now. I'll see you in the next one. All right. 07. Take care.